Changing the oil and filter on a Zontes 703F is a straightforward process, but it's essential to follow the correct steps to ensure optimal performance. This video will show you how, step by step. Here's a general guide. Step 1. Preparation. Gather the necessary tools: a wrench, oil filter wrench, drain pan, and a funnel. Ensure you have the correct type and amount of oil and a compatible oil filter for the Zontes 703F. Warm up the engine for a few minutes to make the oil flow more easily. Step 2. Draining the old oil. Place the drain pan under the oil drain plug. Use a wrench to remove the drain plug and let the old oil drain completely. Once drained, clean the drain plug and reinstall it securely. Step 3. Replacing the oil filter. Locate the oil filter and use an oil filter wrench to remove it. Apply a thin layer of fresh oil to the rubber gasket of the new filter. Screw the new filter into place by hand until it's snug, then tighten it slightly more with the wrench. Step 4. Adding new oil. Remove the oil filler cap and use a funnel to pour in the recommended amount of new oil. Replace the filler cap and start the engine for a minute to circulate the oil. Check the oil level with the dipstick and add more if necessary. Step 5. Final checks. Inspect for any leaks around the drain plug and oil filter. Dispose of the old oil and filter responsibly at a recycling center. Let me know in the comments if you'd like assistance with anything else. The reasons why you perform regular oil changes are: engine longevity. Regular oil changes ensure that the engine remains well lubricated, reducing wear and tear on moving parts. This is crucial for maintaining the bike's performance and extending its lifespan. Optimal performance. Clean oil helps the engine run smoothly, ensuring consistent power delivery and fuel efficiency. A clogged oil filter can restrict oil flow, leading to overheating and reduced performance. Preventing contaminant buildup. Over time, oil collects dirt, debris, and metal particles. Changing the oil and filter removes these contaminants, preventing them from causing damage to the engine. Manufacturer's recommendations. Following the recommended maintenance schedule ensures that the bike operates as intended by the manufacturer. It also helps maintain warranty coverage and resale value. Safety. A well-maintained engine is less likely to fail unexpectedly, ensuring a safer ride. I hope this video is useful. Best regards, Mad Mick. If you could please promote my channel on your social platforms, it would be much appreciated, as the channel can only survive with your support. Best regards, Mad Mick. Let me know what you think in the comments. Until next time, Mad Mick.